Hi all my wonderful women out there. This is Hema from Shivani Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani Boutique? Lot of people will be surfing, will be browsing things because festive season already started, and where to purchase, where to shop. So this episode is going to be like festive collections of salwar materials. You can find this what I'm wearing. It's a beautiful organza dupatta for this, and the top is a silk cotton, and the embroideries are all the embroideries on the top is man-made, and the embroideries on the dupattas are machine-made. So this is how it looks. And we have got beautiful lot of collections. Sit back, relax and enjoy our show. The first collection is this same to same which I am wearing, where we have got three beautiful colors, pink and then green, pale green, and then the yellow. This is same to same. Let me open and show how it looks. So this is how the top look, and this is the pant for this, and this is the dupatta for this, organza dupatta. So this is how it looks. A pale pink color where you can find beautiful embroideries on the top. The embroidery is a hand work, hand woven, and this is the pant for this and dupatta. I definitely wanted to open each and every dupatta and show for you all so that you can understand how the product really look. Pale pista green color, and this is the dupatta for this. The fabric which I am showing in this episode are different stuff, so please read the description carefully and then place your orders. Right now I have this noil fabric with gota patti work. I have something surprise inside. This is an oil fabric. The first color is this yellow color, where you can find gota patti work, and I have got same to same matching cotton pant and inner as well for this. And my surprise for you guys is this amazing dupatta. It's painted, it's embroidered, it's like all over tassels. What else you want? Such a surprise, and it's absolutely festive collection. Ash color, gota patti work all over, and the central panel is a zaried one, and we have got a lining for this, a pant for this, and lovely beautiful mind-blowing netted dupatta. Pale gazer pink color, gota patti work below, and this is a zaried one, and pant inner as well. And let me open and show you the dupatta. Our next festive collection is this crepe silk with all over Ari work, hand embroidery concept, make in India concept. So it's a pale wine color. So this is the top. You can find beautiful works all over, and it comes for the sleeves as well. This is the same to same matching muslin pant. All right, and the surprise is our dupatta. It's a rich, heavy, hand embroidered Ari worked dupatta. So beautiful it is. The next concept is this. This fabric is a georgette fabric. You can find beautiful work, hand embroidered work all over the fabric. This is the front portion, and back is a plain one. And this is the pant for this. And the surprise is our dupatta. It's a pure chiffon dupatta. See how beautifully it is done. So nice and elegant, especially meant for the festive collection. These are the two beautiful, amazing collection in net fabric, where it all are embroidered, machine embroidered, hand work and abla work, sticky works, and what else, stone work and everything. Lot of works are there. Very rich. It gives you a rich look for this festive collection. Let me open and show you. Knitted fabric. See how the designs are. Only for the front portion the design comes, and the back portion is a plain, and for the sleeves it is a chiffon sleeve. And this is the pant for this. We have got an inner for this, and the surprise is this dupatta. Lovely, amazing chiffon dupatta. You can find all minute mirror works and stone work all over. A pale, beautiful color. You can find minute pearl works all over as well. And this is a knitted fabric. So this is how it looks, and you have got a pant as well as inner for both the things, and this is the dupatta for this. You can find beautiful stones. This stuff is actually very nice, and it's a crepe silk, and I can say as a slim fit as well. Because the flow is so amazing. So let me open the color and show you guys. These are the two different colors which we have right now. Pale lavender color with all over embroideries, and this is for the sleeves. And once again, this is the pant for this, and our surprise part is this. See this contrast matching dupatta. See, this dupatta is so pretty, and I'm loving this personally. Jilly. Green shaded. Same to same concept, only the color is different. So this is how it is. And this is for the sleeves. This is the pant for this, and our surprise is the dupatta. See how the color combination is so nice and amazing. This is how the dupatta looks. Jilly dupatta. Crepe silk, salwar materials, where you can find beautiful hand embroideries on the top. Let me open this top and show you guys. See how the top is. You can find embroideries here and there, here and there. It's a nice crepe satin silk top material, and then pant is a contrast matching pant, and see the dupatta is a netted dupatta. These two are Banarasi silk top with pant and a floral dupatta. See how it really look. I love this personally. You can make some embroideries on the top as well. This is actually plain with all zari booties. It's woven fabric actually speaking. And this is the pant for this. And this comes with the dupatta, floral dupatta. See this. Muslin floral dupatta. The matching combination are pretty amazing. Pale purple color. See, the combination is so beautiful and amazing. Let me open the dupatta and show you guys for better understanding. You can find Getty borders on both the sides of the dupatta. This is how it looks. It's a different color, satin by cotton, chikankari work on the top. with a central panel work right from the top till bottom, and it's a shaded chiffon dupatta. The top is really a rich one, so this goes with this. Pale milk rose color top with Kota Doria cotton dupatta. Something very simple but still an elegant, and it gives you a nice sober kind of look. And see this, the pant for this, see the dupatta is Kota Doria dupatta with Kota patti work. And my last piece is this, such an amazing woven fabric with hand embroidered on the top. The silver dots here and there gives you a nice rich look. And this is the pant for this. The pant is also a woven pant, and it comes with a pussycat chiffon dupatta. Such a beautiful dupatta it is. Hope you guys loved our collection, including myself, because the collections are mind-blowing. For prices and product descriptions, log on to our website www.shivaniboutique.com under the heading Exclusive Salwar Materials, or else if you need any assistance, 9585501762 is our WhatsApp number, or else just click the link above the video so that it will straight away lands you to those pages, so that you can directly shop at our website. We do international shipping, and we customize everything. So thank you so much. We'll meet you soon with lots and lots of collections. Bye.